Dream. Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. There's only one problem. It's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. But I believe in myself. I'm doing the things that a successful trader is supposed to do. I always have my stop loss, take profit when it's there. I'm tracking my trades, I'm journaling, and I'm making steady progress. It's getting really exciting. Best part is I'm doing it all live right here on YouTube, and we're building an awesome community in the process. I'd love to have you be a part of it. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. Let's get to it, y'all. Was it Wednesday? Yeah, boy. January 22nd, coming off of an amazing trading day yesterday. A day of patience and composure, and just sitting in my deer stand, man. Just sitting in my deer stand, waiting to see if any deer were going to walk across my path, you know? So yeah, man, I'm trying to come with that same energy of being willing to not take a trade, of acknowledging that there's probably only going to be 2 to 3 good setups a week that I'm able to catch. And the other days probably are going to be no trade days, or should be no trade days. So I'm trying to sit here of the mind that I don't know if today is going to be the day my setup comes across. Might be today, might be tomorrow. You know, I caught a setup yesterday, so you know, today might be a no trade day. So we're just gonna chill, sit back, see what kind of opportunities present themselves. And if everything checks the boxes, maybe we'll take a trade. Otherwise, we just gonna hang out and talk trading, man. What's up, Signature? Same to you, sir. Same to you. All right, so I got QBTS, and then I got a side eye over here on Oracle. Just because of the crazy gap, but it really just gapped into the highs, so I just kind of want to keep an eye on it. Actually, I mean, I kind of very curious about Netflix. Um, I don't know what to think about it. It's the gap is crazy. Only reason I'm not watching it is because it's so expensive. Signature, you trading Netflix? Yeah, it's so expensive, and my account's like on small mode right now, so I'd get like one share of this, and that ain't no fun. Your internet, what up, Q? um, yeah, Netflix is crazy. Hmm. Yo, Santa, what's going on? Yeah, but I like QBTS, man. I think this price action is really interesting. Um, you know, just the fact that it held this price area and now it's gapping up again. I think this could get pretty exciting. You know, we got some gaps to fill and all kinds of things. So, you know, I think it's worth a watch. I don't like that it's a second day green day. I do like how much volume was traded in it. You know, enjoying the vacation. That's awesome, bro. They have a cheaper version of Netflix? Really? What is it? Man, the 5 was so amazing yesterday. It's like my new close friend. NFXL. Okay. Alright, you might be cooking on something here. What kind of volume is it gonna get though? What does it look like intraday? Yeah, bro, I'm gonna trade that. Wave Rider. What's up, Leon? I'm looking at QBTS, side eye on Oracle. I don't really have I don't really Oracle where it's at right now. I mean, it's right at the highs, so it's not really. Yeah, I'd actually rather watch Netflix, but yeah, man, try to see if we can get two good performances in a row. I don't care if they're both green. I just want two good performances. You know what I mean? Where the wave at today, Wave Rider? All right, let's see here. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, Netflix, man. See, this is what I was. This is literally what I was. I'm expecting. I wasn't expecting it to open up that much higher, but honestly, just it's really extended on the higher time frames, and I really was expecting to sell the news. Like me and Alex was having a conversation about it last night, and it was already up too high to be gapping up like that. So this is of no surprise at all that it's getting hammered like this. No surprise. QBTS 2-minute ORB. That's a nice 1-minute candle. Yeah. Oracle getting slapped up too. Yeah. Yeah. It's just super extended, man. Like if you look at the weekly and the monthly on Netflix, it's like way up. Well, this actually was a nice pullback on the weekly. Man, the RR for this is crazy, but we want the orb. Hey, the way I'm feeling about this 5-minute chart Q, the 5-minute orb might have to make an emergence. I mean, it still will have to look good on the one, but I'm definitely taking 5-minute entries, man. Man. Wow, 605. This is my first time even glancing down here at the SPY. 606 pre-market. Yo, it's a good time, man. It'd be nice to be able to get to a bigger risk profile this year if the market goes crazy. Yeah, see, I can't trade Netflix, bro. The candles are higher than the candles. The range on these candles are bigger than my risk, so I can't even get one share of Netflix. Be risking $10 on one share. Do 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 do. Whoa. That was a biggin. That was a biggin. Yeah, I was looking at TEM this morning, man, thinking it would be nice for a 2-day run, second day run. But you know, I don't like trading after wide range green days because I think the most likely thing to spawn is a narrow range day. Um, so you know, I just try to stay away from it. In Netflix at 975, man, gangster. ET just popped up on the scanner. Man, don't just go off on one candle, bruh. That's kind of nice though. Oracle with the hammer time. That's two hammers in range. Let's not forget that. All these candles are in pretty much inside the opening range. Let's not forget that. Um Man, yo, Leon, bro, this could be killer. Man, I'm saying, bro, you already up almost $10, man. Yo, dang, Leon, bro. Yeah, I just ain't have the risk profile to be able to play with Netflix, but looks awesome. See, that's why I don't like second day green right here. QBTS acting kind of funky too, though. You trade Netflix too, Scalp City? Yeah, boy. The energy is crazy on it. Oracle, weak as heck. It was another one I liked this morning. NECH. Is that it? No. NECL? No. NEHC. Straight down the hole. Hmm. That's what's up, y'all. Love to see it. What to make of this QBTS play? Kind of like that. I just want to watch Netflix too, since y'all are trading it. I'm curious. I like them two red candles, bro. I love the two red candles, man. QBTS with another low. You still in there, Leon, boy? I'm telling you, I'm hope 990 right around the corner, bro. Man, this range is big than a mug. $1. Do 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 do. QBTS just keep breaking lows, huh? Didn't quite touch that 990, huh? Yeah. What is different about this one and this one? Yellow. That's what it is. Okay. There we go. Okay. I felt that little pull at the open, but then I was like, nah, we chilling, man. It was like this pull of you have to take a position before it goes without you. That's how it feels the first couple minutes after the open. Like, all right, man, time is ticking. What position are you gonna take? Out Netflix, man. I hope you pulled out some good shares on that, man. That was a nice little bump from 75 to what, 88? Highest exit 987.22. Hey. Okay, killer. Nice work, man. I want to take some trades. Oh yeah. So you was swinging for the fences on that one, huh? Big volume here. This is just like a two candle pullback though. Look at the five though. Five is looking kind of nice on QBTS. Still got a minute. before it closes. Yeah, that's a real nice 5. Look like it's about to close below above the last candle's low. I just want this to pull back a little bit more and wait though. Shoot, 680 is a nice entry. Yeah, I'm definitely taking the 5 on QBTS. I think 140 confirmed it. What up, technical? Yeah, I'm taking this break. Faux Steezy. Ah, come on now.
Order filled.
There we go. Take that. We'll take that. Hey, Netflix look ready again too. Oracle too. But we'll go with QBTS on that. Let's see what y'all talking about over here on ASST. AST. Yeah, I think Oracle's ready for a nice pop too. 140 confirmed it. Look at that 5 though. Look at the 5. Somebody. Look at that 5-minute hammer time.
Stop. Hammer time.
Look at that 5-minute hammer time, baby. With the volume. Let's see how it goes though. Yeah, that Netflix pop was nice, bro. It was there. You could hammer time on Netflix. Nice little volume pop on it. Let's see what Oracle talking about right here. This might be the low on Oracle too. Stop. Hammer time. That's. Whoa. Dang. Halted up on them. You in that Wave Rider? What is this? Oh. Yeah, I remember that's from last week. Man, I started to Oracle. It wasn't really no huge confirmation on Oracle, but that reversal was definitely tradable. On DATS. Yeah, I mean, I like this little 2 candle pullback right here. It wouldn't have gotten my attention because it didn't gap up today, but that thing got some wheels on it, man. Huge day right here. This was the day. Good Lord, man. From 232 to 934. That's crazy. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Do 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 do. Man, today it was 17 degrees in the morning, right? Yesterday was -7. Bruh, -7 is so cold that 17 degrees was like, oh, it's not so bad. 17 degrees was like mad chill. Like, ah, man, I could tolerate this. Bruh, say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. POAI. Yeah, that mug is tiny. Nice little gap though. Not much volume for real though. Yeah, it feels that way. Man, Oracle and Netflix, man. Very short crowded right now. Well, we'll see though. Got my stop lower day, you know. Best I can do for myself. That's why I'm hoping for the squeeze cue. I grab a short and I choke him. And all day long. uh, I think what'll be really fun is like being able to be this composed and trade all my ideas. Like not my FOMO ideas, but like my genuine ideas. Like this idea on Netflix, I looked at that and I was like, man, this is a really nice higher low right there. It actually was a nice 5 minute hammer too. Um, and Oracle, you know, I actually like this little inside Harami after the hammer. I was thinking about that, but you know, in time. 9 degrees. Yeah, 9 degrees is that's pretty darn cold, but -7 is like you feel it in your bones, man. Like it's like you start freezing as soon as you go. Like your body is turning into an ice cube from the moment you step outside. So it's like you better run. Dang, new high day on the SPY. That thing is cooking over 606 right now. I love it. Look at the 5, man. We might be having another hammer candle with a higher low on the 5. We talking Celsius or Fahrenheit? I'm talking about Fahrenheit. You talking Celsius? Yeah, I'm talking about -7 Fahrenheit, bro. Fahrenheit. How often do you say that word? Yo, AI. Hey, looking good. That 5 is nice, bro. I'm telling you, man. I think I'm a 5-minute trader now, low key. I watched the one so I can gather more information. All right, this thing back over 682, and I'm feeling great about it. Yeah, yeah. POAI did nice, man. Oracle looked like she ready for another. Come on, man. Give me that 82, dog. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Trigger that 5, boy. I almost want to add a share just on GP. Come on, man. Help him out, Bugs. There it is. That's 83. Let's go, man. 5-minute trigger. Yo, what's up, Lewis? You know, I got a lot of love for the 2-minute, man. I spent some time on it and I thought it was real cool. I thought it was real cool. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly how I roll, Leon. The trigger, man. But I've been taking that 5-minute trigger too. Sometimes really when that 1-minute trigger and the 5-minute trigger line up, that's a pretty good sign too, I think. All right, man. We got the higher low put in right here. Let's see if we can get the higher high above 693. You know we get back into 7. It's looking real good. I am gonna raise my stop a little bit though. It's kind of pointless, but come on, baby. We gotta take that 93 out. Just going to get to 7, man. Just going up there, dog. Another higher low on in Netflix right here. It's kind of a lower low a little bit. Needs 85 on the bid or it's cooked. Technical. You talking about POAI or what I'm trading? You can't be talking about mine because I don't see anything significant at 85. There's 94 higher high. Yeah, boy. What's this low? 62. Yeah, we'll go ahead and tighten that up to like 59. Take a little bit of the risk off. Man, I hope this thing get up and run because Oracle with a nice narrow range candle right there under 184. The risk to reward on a candle like this is so amazing. They're almost worth always taking. Oh, POAI. Pull that back up. It's popped right back up though. Popped it right back up. Oh yeah. Whoa, there it goes. Yo. Beautiful. Hit you with the fakey right there and then right to the goal. Let's go. Hey, get into the back. Look at that thing, man. Rocketing, bro. You got in on the pullback to pre-market high. Well done, sir. So what, 160s? Up here about to tap $2. Okay. Okay then. Get to that bag technical. Look at that. Look at that nice setup right here. Boy, 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 boy. Yeah, I noticed that pre-market high is a huge deal on the whittle caps. Look at the 15 about to trigger on QBTS. I think we pretty set. I think we looking pretty good. Right? Like we got this nice move up, this nice hourly pullback with the tail on the bottom. Yeah, we can push through and make some highs, bro. Things can get exciting. Reject it did. The 5 looks saucy though, man. I wish QBTS would stop playing games, bro. This was not the day to trade it. It's too much noise overhead. It's too much noise. We don't have a smooth path to victory. That's the problem. We're making these highs. Why does this have to happen? So unnecessary. Got big red candle, push up. Big red candle, push up. Big red candle. Hopefully we push up again. But I think it's trying to tell me something. I think it's trying to tell me something. Nah, for sure. Hey, take the bread. Another narrow range joint. This is kind of how what was that I was trading yesterday? Flip chart. What you think, Q? It's making down. It's like it's trending in my direction, but I just don't like these big red candles back into the price action, you know? It's making higher highs and higher lows right now until 662 is broken. Future flash? It's super rangy, man. I need to start buying these lows, man. I started to add right here, but you know, I'm trying to keep things simple. Hopefully this will make for a better run if it can break out and not down. breakdown. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I see. Man, it's been a while since I pulled up the old cues. Well, I guess it just ain't what I thought it was gonna be over here today. I know, right? Been through a lot of little adventures on this journey. I think things have been about the same on everything I've traded just because I've always traded everything, you know.
Order filled.
Womp womp. Hmm. Yeah, I liked it. I liked it. I mean, the daily, I really don't like trading after second day green, and it is kind of a relatively wide range day compared to the last three. So, I mean, there's a place where I could say I could have left this alone. But you know, I'm happy with, I had the 5 minute confirmation. I mean, the volume profile looks great on it. The 5 minute candle had higher volume than this candle. Nice tail, you know, just didn't work. Yeah, the daily could have been better for sure. Yeah, it just wasn't. It wasn't. There was nothing for me to take at that point. I mean, I was in at what 80 something, and the double top was 98. Yeah, it wasn't good enough for taking profit. Yeah, that part too, Trey. That part. Yeah, let's check it out, Q. Dang, bro, you went ham on that thing. Nice. Hmm.
Order filled.
It's not as bad as it looks. I mean, it doesn't look bad at all to me. So this move down here, break through the lows, push down, biggest volume since the open, right? Since this candle. And then we got the two green candles and then a little pullback. It's a very small pullback, but it is a low. It does make a new low on lower volume. And then the next candle after it has a nice volume spike. So for me, I think it's a decent swing. And there's the 5 minute new high on the 5. Come on, bro. This is the first higher low after second biggest volume of the day. Yeah, it did stop me out. I did say that, Q. I mean, Trey. I definitely did. I really wanted to take Oracle right here on the 5, but it just never really got exciting volume wise, so no reason to justify that. My risk is low of day. That's always where I try to keep my low of day. 7 would be fantastic for for starters. And then of course, always hoping to Fu Shiesty mode activated. It's a thin line between fighting the downtrend and hunting for the reversal, I think. um I think it's always gonna look like I'm playing the downtrend. Well, not really. I guess it shouldn't always look like that, but um I want to see the downtrend, and when I'm watching the downtrend, I'm watching for a huge volume spike, like momentum changing volume, right? And so this, this is a potential for that. So when I see this at a bottom, get my eyebrows up, and then I watch for the first two green candles are always like, okay, is this just a retracement from the down move? Right? And then you wait and see what the next red candle looks like. If it's on less volume, that's a good sign. And then if the next green candle's on higher volume, that's an even better sign. And but oh yeah. Let's see if we can tell where Trey fumbled this thing. uh where'd you get in, Trey? You get in on this hammer time? This hammer time kind of long though. Wow, look, the 5 on this is sweet. Okay, we in action mode at this low right here. Bum, 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 bum. You got that hammer time? Where'd you get out, bro? So you got in here. Where'd you get out? Did you make it past 3, bro? Let's hear it, Trey. Hey, okay. Okay. All right. You ain't want none of that, huh? Oh, you got it over here? Man, this old 16-day winning streak. Dang. Hey. Yo. Hey. I'm on my 1-day winning streak, baby. 9:45 close. Okay. Welcome to the club of red. Oh man, signature, you too. I'm on my way out though, signature. I'm gonna have to get my walking papers. Hopefully. This is looking interesting over here, Q. I kind of want to take it, but you know, that's back in my gunslinger days. Those days are over. Oh, some of that what's going on? K info. I already knew, bro. Hilarious. Q, like, I gotta know, man. I gotta know. Uh-oh, what's going on? Oh, that's cool. Hey, is the stream okay? I got a bit rate warning. Nah, that must be old because it says I'm streaming at 7,000. Okay, excellent connection. All right, good. Crisis averted. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me, please. Helps us grow our community. Yeah, that's spot on, Leon. That's spot on. I can see that very clearly. And okay, appreciate it, Troy. Yeah, I had a little bit rate error, but it says I'm doing good now. Man, it's just the shorts is just too strong over here, I guess. I can't beat them at their game. Small cap short trader. Yeah. I would think it's flooded with you guys though. I guess shorting is a little more sophisticated. The rookies come in probably not jumping straight into short trading. Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, I think this was a bad chase. We'll see. We'll see how this 5 minute candle closes, but I don't know. If it makes another low, it's probably wrapped. They're not active. Oh, yeah. We just gotta keep growing, Q. We'll get more in here. I gotta stop lacking on my channel building too, man. My bad, my bad, dog. I'm lacking on building the community. I gotta be consistent with my review videos and my shorts and stuff so we can keep growing. Because it's way nice trading with people, man. Like it's way nice. BLBX. We still looking at BLBX. Yeah, see, I wanted that joint down here at $3. It's definitely gone now. I've been watching Oracle bubble over here too. Yeah, I'm totally down with that. Q's been talking about doing pre-market meetings in the Discord. I think that's a great idea. Cause sometimes I come in and I see nothing. And then, just chat with you guys and it's like, wow, how did you see this? Like, why didn't I see that? Yeah, bro. Let's totally do it, man. Come on, QBTS. This could be it right here. Yeah, man. Totally, bro. Let's do it. Let's just do it, man. We just start now. It might take us a couple years to get to actual prop firm status. But let's just do it. Why not? We here every day anyway. We're all committed. Let's just do it. Is it possible? You can do it. You can do it. Got a super narrow range 15-minute candle. I would love to see it close green. If the trade stops me out, will I say it was a good trade? Um, I like the trade, Trey. It's only really like the first, well, I guess like second lower day break, so it's not like it was really breaking like major levels. Um, and then we got second biggest volume of the day, hammer candle, higher low. I'm not mad about that. You know, I'm not mad at all. And now we got a higher high. I'm moving my stop under this 5 minute consolidation. And now we got like half risk, all reward. And that's kind of the one thing about trading one stock is I feel okay to take a second swing at it. You know, it feels way less like reckless than spreading trades out, you know, across a bunch of different tickers. Cause it's like if I really watch a chart, I think 2 tries I can probably get a good entry. You know, if I'm like not in FOMO mode, you know, or revenge mode. But you know, just wait for the actual triggers. That was such a difficult thing for me to just legitimately wait for the triggers. And I would just get excited. Like, yeah, I just get excited on every green candle after a red candle. Like, oh man, this is it. Just wait, man. Dang, is that it? Just a little pop and stop. It's all good. Hey, the 15 closed green though. I think that's wonderful. I'm happy to keep my stop under that. If it breaks down low, it's all good. It's all good. Oracle's trending up. Netflix is getting pretty close to low of day from the first 5 minute candle. Man, it's looking great on the 5 and 15. It's looking great. Man, that's awesome, Leon, that you feel like you've learned a lot, man, from hanging out in here. I just be feeling like I just be doing the same dumb stuff every day, but nah, the ball is definitely moving forward, and that feels awesome. That feels awesome. It's nice when the squad making money too, man. When we just, you know, everybody getting to the bags, feeling good. You know, gosh, I wish this thing would just go. Oh man, it was looking so good. Yeah, no doubt, Q. We got to take advantage of it more. You know, allegedly, allegedly in a Lambo. Man, I thought we had something special, QBTS. You played me twice, dog. Now I'm like, man, should I leave my stop low of day? But nah, it's looking too weak now. Man. So my take profit really is something? Cause I feel like it's something. But sometimes I'll be thinking like, man, maybe I'm just like being a punk by selling so often. Like I'm maybe less executions would be better. But I don't know. I just really like selling all the tops, you know.
Order filled.
Well, I tried. I tried to win. It wasn't meant to be. I will be quite disappointed if this does go up and I just punked out with my stop loss. Man, that's awesome, Trey. I appreciate it, bro. I do feel great about it. And I was really hoping to just get one execution today. Couldn't get a single one, man. But it's all good. I honestly feel like today was a total win. I feel like my last two trading days have been awesome. Um, Second entry is more hope than clarity. Hmm. Yeah, I could have done without it for sure. Like the retracement on this higher low, like it's the most minimal. Like, okay, technically it's a higher low, but is it really? You know what I mean? So, yeah, it could have been better for sure. It was avoidable. It was avoidable, but I'm working on it. To not have taken 7 trades today is a huge feat. So, I'm gonna give myself a pass for taking this second one. But I can still look at it and see my thesis. You know, there's a lot of times where hindsight, I'll go and look and try to understand why I took a trade. And I'll just be like, I don't like, what was I doing? Like, I don't see any reason to take the trade. You know what I mean? So I do, I see the volume confirmation, I see the higher low. So it technically checks the boxes. But like just from the eye test, it's not an A plus setup. And really, once it breaks that first low of day, honestly, it's just like it's too weak at that point. Cause now it's like a surefire downtrend, you know? And I do kind of want to be I want to remember that more, that once it breaks that low of day, like the setup needs to be, if you got in, if the first entry was A plus and it stopped you out low of day and made a new low of day, like the entry after that has to be A plus plus, because it's already broken, your major support level that you trade off of. So now it's like even weaker weak, you know. So just some things to incorporate, trying to level up the reversal game. I don't want it to get too weak. I want a moment of weakness in an overall strong situation. But when the moment breaks and makes another low, now it's just weak altogether. Yeah, that's facts, Leon. I'm working. Nigel, what do I think's been working for me the last 2 days? Being willing to miss the trade, man. being willing to miss the trade, not like hunting for the setup, like sitting down here for the setup, not for the profit. You know what I mean? Like, cause usually at the open, I'm like, man, like I only got a couple minutes to find that runner before it goes without me. So I'm like, the open is so intense for me, cause I'm like really trying to make sure I don't miss it. And that mentality was terrible. And so like the last 2 days, I've been like trying to just chilling, like I'm just gonna wait for the setup, you know. A big help was going through my journal and looking through the monthly calendar and how many green days am I really having each week. And I just like, man, I'm coming in here every day like I'm about to get 3R every day, and in reality it's just not gonna happen. Not with just trading this one setup, you know, trying to find consistency trading one setup. So I just realized like there's probably gonna be 2 or 3 days that I need to be not doing anything, which probably was today, because I didn't see an A+ daily setup. It's really hard to walk away pre-market. It's hard pre-market to say I'm not gonna trade. You know, it's like, let me just watch and see what happens. Maybe something will pop up. But yeah, just being patient, man, and realizing that I'm hunting for the setup, I'm not just trying to jump on the first thing moving. You know, the deer stand analogy really blew it apart for me, you know. Just thinking about like I literally have a buddy who goes hunting, and you know sometimes he comes back and didn't catch anything, didn't shoot anything, you know. Yeah, bro, it is very hard for me to accept that, Q, because I just really believe that I could come in here no matter what, and I could trade, like, for real. Even still, there's like a small tiny part of me that believes you could just give me any high volume chart and I can make 3R. But you know, it's just not practical. BLBX. Uh-oh. Entry at 352. Hey, I ain't mad at that in this area right here. After the breakout and test. Yeah. Yeah, I'm figuring it out, Q. Yeah, most of my issue was just my approach. Like, I feel like I have really good technical skills as far as reading price action. Um, but what I would do with that information, you know, my mentality was just not good. Um, I wasn't differentiating the A+ high probability setups from, you know, just an idea, just a thought like, I wonder if that will happen, you know, and I'll take that and trade it, put my real money behind it. And it's like, bro, what are you doing? You know? And so just learning to be more picky, and it's the belief though. It's the belief, because trying to be super picky and only trade certain things, but at the same time believing that you can trade everything, it just doesn't match up. It's why it's really easy to, all right, I'm looking for the A+, and then when you don't see it, it's just like, well, just pick the highest volume one and we'll trade that, you know. Um, so it's just coming to reality, man, and just realizing, okay, this is actually what it is. You're not gonna come in here and make 3R 5 days a week, right? There's only gonna be 2 or 3 days max out the week. Sometimes one, sometimes none, where an actual A plus setup that's worth trading appears. And so just it's finally starting to click. Um, you know, after enough losses, after enough coming in here super hopeful and getting decimated by my bad trading, and enough of you guys telling me enough of Trey hitting me upside the head, and Q and Ben and Alex. It's finally like, all right, I concede that my way is not working, and starting to make these adjustments, man. Man, Leon, this joint looking real nice. Lots of volume coming in up there, though. It's pretty up there on the 5 and the 15. Shoot, you gotta have your stop in the money by now. Oh, yep, sure is. Q already hunting for the short. It's extended though. It definitely looks like it's about that time. Killer trade, Leon, man. In there at dang on 352, 418. Yo. Well done, man. Let the man eat, Q. Damn. uh, hey man, we should have like a little segment at the end of the show, man. Y'all post your trades in the Discord, man. We can pull them up on the monitor. It don't have to be just Q flexing on us, man. We can flex. Everybody can flex. So if y'all want to do that, maybe I'll create a channel or something. That would be a cool idea anyway, just to have, celebrate each other's wins. Damn, Leon, bro. There's 450, 60, 70. Yo. Yeah, for sure, Q. We can talk about that would be awesome too, Q, because we can talk about the things that we could do better and kind of analyze each other's trades. That's cool. Yo, that thing squeezed. Like, golly. I think I need to move this over here. Hold up. Where is it? Put this over here at the candle. There we go. Reversed your position. Wow. That's about to look out below. Huh. Oh, I was about to say, who is in here with us? I was like, dang, both sides on them. uh, having to stay in. What you mean, man? All right, fine. I'm going to the gym, man. Ah, no, I'm out of here, Q. I'll take my 1 hour day. Not too bad for 2 swings. Wasn't really a great daily setup, so I definitely don't want to go down 2R on something that's not a great daily setup. You know, uh, man, it's really difficult. It's really difficult pre-market to accept that there's not an A+ setup. That's I think that's going to be my next challenge. Um, I'm doing really well intraday. Appreciate it, Leon. Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna try. I feel myself in a new place, but at the same time, I also can feel how easy it would be to flip back. So it's something I have to be very intentional about, at least until it becomes normal, like my habit of thinking. But I feel different at the open these last few days. And I've been thinking about it all day when I leave here. Hell, absolutely, man. Appreciate it, Nigel. We should absolutely do a group call, bro. What time? Let's just nail it down right now. And like, what do you think? Like 7:45? Okay, yeah, yeah. Let's rap about it in the Discord. I think we for sure should do it. Um, I'm thinking 7:45 would be cool. Maybe 7:45 to 8. Um, or even 8 to 8:15. I don't know. something like that. I definitely want like 15 minutes before the open though to, you know. I really want to be getting on at 8, like starting the stream at 8. Maybe we could even do the call on the stream. I don't know. It's whatever. But let's talk about it in the Discord. Discord links in the description, y'all. This way, that way, one of those ways. And yeah, man. Second day in a row with pretty decent discipline. Just got to keep stringing them together, man, and see what happens. I guess the week's looking good. Let's just check the journal real quick before we get out of here. Just see what the calendar's looking like. Brought to you by the fabulous folks at Trader Sync. Link in the description. Calendar. Okay. So last week was kind of cool. Like from discipline standpoint, only one max loss. The week before last had 3 max loss days. That's terrible. But last week only 1 max loss day and 3 green days. Green yesterday, red 1 hour today. So still green on the week after today. Just got to keep our act together. Only down 44 on the month. So I don't know if we'd have to have a couple of pretty awesome green days between now and the end of the month to pull that out the mud. But definitely getting there. Look at the negative month though, right? Negative 44 so far in January. So not the greatest. But last month was 37. And then 55. And then 340. Like big change. Right? And this is risking $5 this month. Same September. 267 lost in September. 362 in August. Like definitely managing money, managing the risk much better. Look at these green weeks, man. Green week. 2 green weeks in December. We're getting better, man. We're getting better. We're losing better. Becoming a better loser. And I think I'm trading better with my winners too. So we're getting there, y'all. Just stick with me, man. We're going to make it to the promised land. God willing. All right, y'all. Thanks for hanging out so much, man. Appreciate y'all. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you have not. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. Share with your people, man. Let's grow this community. Let's get to the bag. Y'all be safe out here. See y'all at the open. Peace.